So this year we've been seeing a lot of innovation in the real estate space in terms of technology. AI is playing a big role in this. Chat GPT, virtual staging is a great example.
Yep.
You can pay for services to do that. You can also now do it yourself using an AI tool. Haven't tried it myself.
No, me either.
I use the experts for that. But the fact is there's a lot of tools out there, and anybody who's not presenting their house, or any realtor who's not presenting their client's house as optimally as they can, using all of these tools at their disposal, is probably doing a disservice to that listing.
So Jim, one of the things you and I joke about quite a bit is when we see listings that come up that an agent went in and used his cell phone to take pictures. Drives me nuts. I mean, you're going to list a house for several $1 million or $1 million, whatever that number is going to be, even if it's $500,000. And you're taking pictures to put it out there with your cell phone. And I've always been a proponent of, you got to put your best foot forward. You only get one chance to make a first impression. We're beyond photography today. Today it's not about booking a photographer to go take pictures. Today it's about booking a media package.
Yeah.
We're doing drones, we're doing 3D, we're doing walkthrough digital tours, we're doing online presentations, we're doing short videos for social media.
Yeah.
It's about exposure to your property, and you can't do that with just simply taking a few pictures. It's an entire media package. And I don't know about you, but that's not my specialty. I leave that up to the experts because they're the ones, as an extension of my team, our team, they're the people that go out there and make our clients' properties into a showcase.
Well, that's how you stand out from the crowd, right? And if you can't stand out, chances are you're going to blend in, your days on market are going to be longer, and your sale price will be lower. We do see this often, where maybe the media package, so to speak, isn't up to snuff, and as a result, what's people's first impressions? I mean, I know people who spend half their day looking on realtor.ca, and we're always on our phones.
I was going to show you, like today we all shop on our cell phones.
You do everything on your phone,
right? And
so if
apparently we have a shorter attention span than a goldfish. So if that's the case, the product you put out there has to stand out in a split second.
Well, it does. I mean, at home you're watching a movie on a 70, 80-inch screen, but most of the stuff you do each day is on a screen this big.
Yeah.
And if you don't stand out in that spot, you're not getting the showings booked.
And then when you look, I mean, photography, video, all those things are all important, drone and all that, but the one thing that is probably the biggest pet peeve for me when agents list properties is not putting a proper floor plan on the listing.
Oh, yeah.
How many clients look at a house and now we've got to actually go see it because we don't know what the flow of the property looks like. We don't know which room connects to what and where it goes.
I've literally had clients say, because there wasn't a floor plan or a 3D tour, we need to book an appointment on this because I want to understand how the house flows. We get there, they're disappointed. It was a waste of time for everybody, including the seller.
Yeah.
Which it wasn't my client, but that seller had to leave their house, they had to clean for our showing, only for us to walk through and go, hey, it's not the right one.
So if you think about where we are in the whole history of real estate, from a technological point of view, we have the most tools and equipment and professionals available to us today. You need to take advantage of that to showcase your property at the highest level.
It's all there, and it's not cheap, but it's not outrageously expensive either.
But it's necessary.
Yeah.